Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have this look and I actually picked up the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy Friendcation palette. It's such a pretty palette. I actually got this when it was on sale at Ulta, and I know the original price is like $55. I got it for $27 or something. It was like their one-day sale. So I decided to pick it up and I freaking love it. It's amazing. I really love these shimmers. On my eyes, I'm using this like green right here and this like dark blue and the two browns in the palette. I freaking love it and I really love how this turned out. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is gabbybarrios00. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to be taking the Benefit POREFESSIONAL Matte Rescue primer, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I really love this primer. It's a gel. It keeps my makeup on all day. So after I apply that, I'm going to be taking the Desi x Katy Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors, and it's such a pretty palette. I'm going to start off with the color Churro, and I'm going to focus this color in my outer corner and in my crease, and this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm kind of just blending it out all in my crease, all up to my brow bone. I really love this brown. It's such a pretty brown. And next I'm going to be taking the color Cheens, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to be focusing this lower in my outer corner and lower in my crease. This is just going to give the eye look more depth. So here you see me placing it lower into my crease, just focusing it in there, whereas Churro we blend it out more. After that, I'm going to be cutting my crease with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. And here I'm just patting in that concealer to make it easier to apply the next shadow on top. After that, I'm taking a fluffy brush with the color Cheens and just blending that color with the concealer and making sure I still have some of that depth in my crease. Now I'm going to be taking Dirty Money, which is that green gold shade, and I'm going to be applying this in my inner lid, the middle of my lid, and leaving a space between the green and the darker brown to apply Game Over, which is a darker blue. And I'm using that to give my eyes a gradient from that darker brown to a darker blue to that green gold color. And here I am just blending it all together. You can see it looks really pretty. And I'm just adding more of the Cheens color in my crease and making sure everything is blended. After that, I'm just going to be taking the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Matte Liner and doing my eyeliner. I know everybody has different ways of doing eyeliner, but the way I do it is I like to line my lash line, then make a tail going towards my brows and make a triangle going down and just fill it in. And I do this on both sides. After that, I'm going to be taking the false lashes in style Baby G by KOKO Lashes and NARS CLIMAX mascara, and I'm applying this on my real lashes before I apply the false lashes. I'm just putting a light coat. I really love this mascara. It's super light. And now here I am applying lashes. I like to look down into a mirror, so that's what I was doing here. And I just find that's easier for me to apply lashes this way. After that, I'm taking the YSL All Hours foundation and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. And the Ultra HD is a little bit darker than the YSL, so I'm just using that to mix them together and apply them both on my skin. I really love the finish that these two foundations give once you mix them. Here I am just using a damp beauty blender to apply it. I really love using a beauty blender over a brush because I feel like brushes leave streaks and beauty blenders don't. So that's just my opinion. But after that, I'm going to be highlighting with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in the shade Warm Beige. And I'm just applying this under my eyes, the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. And I'm just blending it out here. After I finish blending it out, I'm going to be taking the DERMABLEND loose setting powder. I actually really love this setting powder. I feel like it makes my skin look flawless and it helps my makeup last all night or day. And I'm just applying it everywhere where I put concealer on, and I'm just baking with it, to be honest. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355, I believe, and I'm using this to contour, well, bronze and contour. After that, I'm spraying the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then I'm taking Cheens in my lower lash line and buffing that all out. After that, I'm going to be taking the MAC Cosmetics Minted liner, pencil liner, and I'm going to be putting it in my waterline, and then going to be taking MAC's MELBA blush and Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREZY highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying that on my cheeks. After that, I'm going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills ASTON liquid lipstick. This is literally my favorite liquid lip. It's such a pretty shade. It's such a pretty nude on me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, this is the final look. I freaking love how this came out. I really love the Friendcation palette by Desi and Katy. I think all the colors are so pretty. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.